Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Cats Are Liquid. Last time I recorded a video about this game, but my mic was muted the entire time, so I have to record it again. Last time I was on level 3. I passed through 4 levels. Now, 3 levels. Might take a long time. Might take way longer than complete 4 levels. Oh, 7th level. And we created 3 levels. Created? What the fuck? Alright, let's just do this. Up. 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 Yes, up. I keep killing the cat. My name's Curiosity. I don't know why I have a throat like this. I almost became Curiosity again. Alright. Oh my gosh, I forgot they had a blast radius. I hate when things have blast radiuses. Is that even a word? No, that's a racial slur. Speedrun. Maybe her friends weren't right about this. Oh yes, yes! Oh no, blast radius! I don't like this game. I haven't played it for 73 hours. Actually longer than that. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Ah. Why did I do that? Oh my gosh. Play through it again. I said play through it again. I heard this game is about depression. So imagine if my YouTube video just gets taken down. Well, if you're watching this and you have if you're not watching this, then yeah, it means this video had a warning. I hate this game. I keep killing myself, bro. I'm sick of this. Okay, won't understand how long. If I keep yelling, I'll put on this part. Because it's hard. I'm gonna go crazy. Okay! Okay. I forgot to speak. So yeah, that's why I'm so far in the level. But yeah. Let's do this. Jump. Jump. And jump over the exit. Oh, I thought there was like an Easter egg there. Ah, I hurt myself. Oh, it's heading towards me. Oh my gosh. That's why. I have to be so fast, faster than the human eye. Yeah. Hidden. Can't find me. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah, what the fuck? I got what I hate this. You know what? I quit. I want to move on to another game. That is more rage bait than this. I don't even know. I don't think that rage bait means that. Level double. I literally have like and you won't understand how many times I've died. I literally had other people play this because of how many times I've died. Oh, I get it. I don't get it. Alright. Ah! I'll scream. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Memorize it. Ah. Okay. Bum, 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 Bang, bang. Ah! What the fuck? I remember how to jump. Bang. It's bang, 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 bang. Huh? Okay, retry. I said I was meant to say retry, not retry. What even is retry? You know what? Instead of retry, I'm just gonna say retray. No, that's a really bad idea. Ah! Ah! Yes. Please tell me I move on to the next level. Oh. Okay. Wait, I think I played this level before. Yeah, I played this level before. I don't remember. Oh. I don't remember what I had for breakfast this morning, but I remember this level. Yeah. It's the level, guys. And then I know you're supposed to jump off at some point in life. Because you always have to jump off at some point in life. Alright, so at that point, yes. I'm dumb. Wee, yeah. Alright, at some point you have to jump off. Because you always have to jump off at life. Oh, I forgot that. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I'm clapping my legs, by the way. You probably didn't know. You can clap your legs. Because I'm laying on the bed right now. Lazying. Yes, I'm a copy. Okay, I'm just saying random things. And I died. Oh, why did I do that? Oh, I forgot. I didn't jump. Alright. So at some point in life, I don't move. Okay, don't move. Yeah. Why did I do that? I don't know when it comes, okay? Don't roast me in the comments. What? Alright, do this. Ah! Alright. Ah, what the fuck? Ah. Yeah. So it's at this point. I forgot that happened. I forgot you nasty little going balls. It's vertical, but I don't care. Okay, I do not care. Get used to it. All right, let's go. I'm gonna stop making it down. Alright, this is... Wow! Alright, Alright, the reason why I turned back is because of this. Bro, why did you just click on an ad? What the fuck? Alright, let's do this. Boink. Alright, go that way. Right, because right is always right. Right is always stupid! Alright, this is the last game I'm playing, okay? And after this, never gonna play any games ever again. Okay, that's just a lie. What the fuck? I don't actually say swears, I just say like half of a word. Yes. What the fuck? Your prize is currently flame. Yeah. I got the participant cheater. Alright, life after apocalypse. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? On my simulation side, detect a surprising pattern of death. I have noted 5 distinct events in which more than half of the Earth species die off forever, what causes almost all life on the planet to suddenly vanish. Could it happen again? I don't like you stuttering. I literally have to move my mouth in so many different ways, even though they're the simplest words in English. Explore a mass extinction star. Yeah. Fire and ice. Alright. Oh. By the way, none of this is real. By the way, God created Earth. Let's go. Luca! Last common universal ancestor of God. I don't know what I'm saying. Alright. Canarian explosion. I never learned how to pronounce that correctly. By the way, all of this is fake. By the way, they don't exist because God created everything. I have to make sure, I have to shove in that and not believe in any of this stuff. Just a made up story by a made up planet that isn't Earth. And you guys are gonna type in the comments saying, well, God doesn't exist. God doesn't exist. God doesn't exist. God doesn't exist. God does exist. And if you think God doesn't exist, you're wrong. Okay? You're just simply wrong. And then you have no faith in humanity. You have no you make fun of everything you see. You never actually think about it. Alright, enough of the religionness stuff. Let's just move on with this. Traitor. Alright, next I suppose check out the enchilada seeds. Alright. I don't know how I get enchilada off that, but whatever. Tribute world. I always pronounce things right. Try without the enchilada world. Alright, alright. I don't like cough. Yes, okay, if you're a Celtic Singularity fan, I bought the jukebox. Don't make fun of me. How much per second? 42 per second. It doesn't pay minimum wage. Oh, hello guys. I just wanted to remind you that the whole entire thing is just like me tapping. So yeah, that's why I cut out most of these parts. If I ever get to one goal, which is on screen right now, then I will end this video and I'll talk to video games ever again. Alright, thank you for watching and hope I see you on the next video. F1D1 out. Oh wait, I forgot to say, subscribe and like and turn on notification bells. It helps me out and I can be a famous figure. I'm not kidding. This is the actual outro. Not kidding. Yeah. F1D1 out. I said F1D1 out. F1D1 out.